Welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at the best baby DOGE faucet online. Let's get started by signing in with our Faucet Pay or C-Wallet account. After you log in, you will see your dashboard on the left. On your dashboard, scroll down and select Faucet. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your reward. Success! You can also do offers, surveys and shortlinks to earn more baby DOGE. Now scroll down and select iframe ads. Choose one of the ads and watch it until the timer runs out. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your reward. When you're done watching all the ads, and you have reached your withdrawal limit, you can cash out straight to your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.